The lift mechanism on your Hasty-Bake are the arms and channels that raise and lower your firebox. Replacing your lift mechanism is fairly easy and only requires a few tools that you probably already have around your home. Remove your grill grates, grease drain rod, and lower the firebox all the way down to rest on your ash pan. Bend the indicator needle. Remove the bolts from the outside of the grill. In this case, there are 6 bolts on the outside of this grill. That's common with the Gourmet and the Legacy models. The smaller grills, such as the Suburban and the Continental, have 4 bolts on the outside of the grill. The built-in Hasty-Bakes have 6 bolts in the front of the grill, but as you can see, there is no indicator needle, so you will be able to skip the step that says to bend the indicator needle. Pull out the old lift mechanism. Place your new indicator needle in the hole and leave it loose. You'll adjust that later. Insert new lift and push channels all the way down to rest on the ash pan. Point your indicator needle down to smoke level, but make sure your lift channels are resting on the ash pan and tap the indicator needle into place. Hand tighten the bolts on the new lift mechanism. Reinsert the crank handle to test the lift mechanism. Replace your grease drain rod. Make sure you put the grease drain rod back in the correct hole. Replace your cooking grates and your firebox, and now you're good to go.